Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So today I'm embroidering a butterfly and I'm using a microfiber washcloth that I found at the Dollar Tree. And I have everything set up. I have my stabilizer and the washcloth in the hoop, and we're just going to go ahead and get started. I did get this file designed from zdigitizing.com. They have excellent customer service. If you ever have a problem, just call them and they answer you in a very reasonable amount of time, sometimes less than an hour, depending on the complexity. And then there's no problem with the making your payments. It's safe and secure. I only use zdigitizing.com for my designs. So go ahead and check them out at zdigitizing.com, and also use the link below in the description so that you can get your 50% off on your first order. I would take advantage and get as many designs as I could on my first order for that 50% off. Ha! Well, let's get started and let's see this play out. This beautiful butterfly is going to be designed onto this washcloth, and you can do these, make these in sets, and sell them at a nice profit. So I'm just trimming the threads here. Don't do what I do. Stop the needle from going before before trimming the threads. But in any case, yes, it's a nice one color design, and it is completed in this size. It's actually the 3 by 3, and it's also available in 4 by 4 and 5 by 4 at zdigitizing.com. Now I chose to use a white embroidery thread for this project, but you could use any color of your choice. It is a one color design again. So next time I probably would use something more contrasting with this color washcloth or fabric. But I think in the future I probably would have done maybe a navy blue on top of this green. May have come out a little bit nicer, but nevertheless, it's a great design. And let's just watch as this plays out. We're getting through pretty quickly here, and yeah. So just hang in there. We'll be there soon. If you haven't seen my other videos, my other embroidery videos, please go ahead and check them out. If you're a member, go ahead and share me out, refer some other creators for the files. Everyone can get the discount. It's just the discount, 50% off on your first order. That's pretty good. And if you actually use the link in my description below, go ahead and drop me a comment and let me know your experience with zdigitizing.com. This beautiful butterfly is coming together nicely. Yes. They have a lot of interesting designs over there. I'll be dropping a few more videos this week or in the coming week with more designs that I get from zdigitizing.com. You can actually see how the designs work out. I am using my Brother 425 SE 425 embroidery and sewing machine, and yes, so it's doing a great job. Moving right along. We're almost to the end. We're getting there. Yes. Yes, here we go. I think we're almost there now. Here we go. Yep. So isn't she beautiful? I'll just clean this up and then we'll take a good look at it. You can see it without, the extra threads. And then, yeah. So don't forget zdigitizing.com, and you will find this design there. Use the link below in the description to get your 50% off on your first order. I'll just take this out of the hoop. We'll take a better look at it close up. Yep, let me remove the tearaway backing here at this point. Yes, it's tearaway, and that's what we do. We tear it away. You don't have to do anything extra to remove it. Then you can clean it up afterward.